Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change region in Rise of Kingdoms. In Rise of Kingdoms, changing your region can be done in a couple ways, giving you flexibility to explore new kingdoms. The first method is through your governor profile. Tap the top left corner, go into Settings, select Characters. When you create a new character, you'll see the available regions and continents to choose from. The second method is via the world map. Zoom out until a globe icon appears in the bottom right corner, then tap it to open the New Kingdom overview. Here you can browse regions like the Norvian region, explore the kingdoms within them, and select one to immigrate to, provided you meet the requirements. Make sure your city hall is at least level 16, your current power does not exceed 25 million, the destination kingdom is in its final kingdom event, and you have the necessary items. Once all conditions are met, simply press the immigration button to switch to your desired region and start fresh in a new kingdom. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.